Problem 5. What is the volume of a cylinder that has a diameter of 6 centimeters and a height 4 times its radius? Well, if the diameter is 6, that means the radius in this problem is going to be 3. A height 4 times its radius, 4 times that, so its height is 4 times 3, 12. That's all I need. Now, let's just think this through. We can look up a formula, but here we imagine a cylinder is just a Coke can. That wasn't well done. Alright, there we have our cylinder. We have a height of 12 and a radius from here to here of 3. Now, if we want to know the volume of that, that's how many, how much water we could fill that guy up with, how many little cubic centimeters we end up having is what we want to know. So, to me, what I'm thinking is if I just find the area of the base of how many cubes would fit down here in the bottom, and then multiply by how many layers. Well, how many layers are you going to have? If the height is 12, you're going to end up with 12 layers of whatever the area of the bottom is. So I don't really remember a formula. I just know, hey, the area of the base is pi times the radius squared. That's how many would fit on the bottom if I had little cubes and I was putting them on the bottom. Because it's a circular base. So pi times the radius is 3 squared, so I know there's 9 pi down there. Now all I've got to do is multiply by how many things of 9 pi am I going to have? Well, you're going to have 12 of it. You're going to have a height of 12. Now, the formula that they will give you is pi r squared times the height. Okay? But you can think this through. Anytime it goes straight up, you just find the area of the base times how many layers you're going to have. So here we have 9 pi times 12. That's 108 pi. And when I do 108 times pi, that's approximately, here's the exact answer. This is in centimeters, so the exact answer is equal to 108 pi squared, cubic centimeters. We're talking volume here. How many cubes will fit in there? 108 then times pi will be approximately 339.3 cubic centimeters would fit in there. That is pretty much like a Coke can, to be honest. That's about how many you get in a normal Coke 12-ounce Coke can. Problem number 5. Just think it through. Try to understand things. Try to understand volume. Very easy to do. Area of the base times how many layers we're going to have, which is the height. Problem 5, 108 pi cubic centimeters, or rounded 339.3 cubic centimeters.